Good morning, YouTube. Coming to you live from Peoria, Illinois is Mike of Talk to the Mike. Tips and tricks for managing the flatbed lifestyle. Talk to the Mike 747. So today I am in Peoria, Illinois. I am loading a cat engine. You see it is covered with shrink wrap because we got to keep this cat dry. We can't let her get wet like that. We got chains down already. She weighs about 28,000. I will put straps. As you can see, there is a tarp up there. I will tarp her and take her to Colorado. I will tell you where, but I'm gonna save that for later. I'm gonna get back with you.